If you want to make money on YouTube using AI, there's a right way to do it and a wrong way. And right now, most people are doing it the wrong way. They're using AI to create more content, but not better content. They're rushing to post instead of actually taking the time to create something of value and something that works. And that's why so many people are putting out videos and getting little or no results because they are rushing and they're just creating content. You want to create content that offers something to solve a person's problems, something of value. Because you're not just creating content, you're building something that actually makes you money. That's why we're here. We're here to make money, but we're also here to solve people's problems, to give them something they're looking for and something of value. And if you don't understand that, you're going to spend a lot of time creating, but not a lot of time growing. Because people right now that are being successful, that are using AI and they're prospering with it, they are creating systems. They're creating something that works and something that people need. There are three things you need to make money on YouTube. But before I get into that, I want to break some things down. If you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, which I highly recommend, even if you're not ready to post, I've created a free 4-page PDF that is linked in the comments section below, and also it'll be pinned. So if you want to find out how to do it, because it works for both laptop and for a phone, I think you'll find it very helpful. So the three things that I was talking about that are really important to make money on YouTube are clarity, consistency. It's a path to income. And AI can help you with all three of these things if you use it correctly. So let's start with clarity. One of the biggest reasons people fail on YouTube, or for that matter, any social media platform, is because they don't know what to say. They sit down, open a blank screen, and literally nothing comes out. Or they say too much, they ramble. This is where AI becomes very powerful. You can use AI to help you. You can generate video ideas using AI, create strong hooks using AI, structure your content, and simplify your message. But here's the key. You don't want or ever let AI replace your own voice. AI is a tool, but you have to come through as you. AI is simply there to help you get it done faster and more accurately. That's the difference between content that connects and content that gets ignored. You're coming through. The real you is coming through. Now let's talk about consistency, because consistency is where most people really fall off. They're just not consistent. They'll show up 1 week and then they're gone for 3 or 4 weeks. That doesn't work. You need to be consistent. It's not because they don't care, but it's because it's taking up too much time because they're not doing it the right way. Filming, writing, editing, it adds up. And when you're doing everything the hard way, you burn out before you even see results. And this is where AI really saves time. You can outline your videos in literally minutes. You can repurpose your long form videos into short clips, which allows you to post much more frequently. You can write descriptions and titles that can help you with your thumbnails. So it takes a fraction of the time, and that's not being lazy. It's about being efficient. And AI helps you to become a lot more efficient, because the goal is simply not to spend hours and hours creating content. The goal is to create good content and to get your time back, get your life back. I mean, that's why you're doing this. That's why you don't want to work in a 9 to 5 cubby working for other people. Work for yourself, do it right. Now, before I give you the third piece that I want to talk about in this video, I want to talk to you about an ebook that I created. It's an ebook that actually breaks down all the different opportunities to earn money in the online and e-commerce space. I created a link below and it will be pinned. And I think you'll find it very beneficial because it literally goes over everything that's available, from YouTube to Etsy to the social media platforms. I think that it has been I think it'll be a big help for you, because views do not equal income. Subscribers do not equal income. And going viral does not guarantee income. What creates income is having a clear path, answering people's problems, one problem at a time. And AI can actually help you think through this. What problem your content solves, what your audience needs, and how to guide them from your video to your offer. Because at the end of the day, YouTube is not just about content, it's about connection, direction, and solving people's problems. Now, let's talk about what not to do, because this is where I see people going off track. Don't use AI to copy what everybody else is doing. Look at their videos, but don't copy them word for word. It creates noise. You don't want to use AI to mass produce low content videos. This hurts your credibility, and you don't want to rely on AI to do your thinking because your perspective is what makes people want to connect with you and eventually buy what you're offering. So, the opportunity in today's market is not just AI, it's a combination of AI and YouTube. And in my case, it's AI and YouTube driving people back to my community because in my community, there's a whole bunch of training. You're building something that can grow even when you're not working. Wow, that's awesome. You think about it. And that's why we're all here because of constantly starting over. You're building forward. You're building something that is going to be sustainable, one video at a time, one idea at a time, and one system at a time. Now, if you're just getting started, make it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Pick one topic, speak clearly, help someone solve a problem, and repeat. I call it rinse and repeat. And that's it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need progress. And the more you do this, the better you get. The more momentum you build. So I've created something called a Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's linked in the comment section below. And it's a way to start. It gives you products that are already done for you. So you don't have to develop any products to promote or sell. And that will be linked in the comment section below. And I think you'll find it very helpful. It's free and it's a step by step how it's set up and how you can get involved in it. So I'm Paula from Paula Daily Pay. I create videos every week about how to make money on YouTube. So if this resonates with you, then I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, check out the links that I have below because I have some very helpful information. And I'll see you in the next video.